The 42nd Amendment, enacted in 1976, is often referred to as the mini-constitution due to its wide-reaching changes.
This amendment significantly enhanced the powers of the central government and curtailed judicial review. It added the words socialist, secular and integrity to the preamble.
It also introduced fundamental duties under Article 51A and shifted some subjects from the state list to the concurrent list.
Additionally, it extended the duration of Parliament and State Assemblies from 5 to 6 years, although this was later reversed.
The 44th Amendment, passed in 1978, aimed to reverse several provisions of the 42nd Amendment.
This amendment was crucial in restoring civil liberties that were curtailed during the emergency from 1975 to 77. It made the right to property a legal right instead of a fundamental right.
It also strengthened provisions related to fundamental rights and limited the scope of the proclamation of emergency. The 52nd Amendment, introduced in 1985, is known for bringing in the Anti-Defection law.
This amendment added the 10th schedule to the Constitution, which disqualifies elected members if they defect to another party.
The 73rd Amendment, enacted in 1992, significantly strengthened Panchayati Raj institutions by giving them constitutional status.
It introduced a three-tier system of panchayats and mandated regular elections. This amendment also provided reservations for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and women, ensuring their representation in local governance.
The 74th Amendment in 1992 strengthened urban local bodies like municipalities by giving them constitutional status. Similar to the 73rd Amendment, it mandated regular elections and provided for the reservation of seats. The 97th Amendment of 2011 gave constitutional status to cooperative societies. It added a new part, Part 9B, in the Constitution. This amendment emphasized the importance of the autonomy and functioning of cooperatives. The 102nd Amendment of 2018 gave constitutional status to the National Commission for Backward Classes, or NCBC. This empowered the NCBC to protect the interests of socially and educationally backward classes. The 103rd Amendment of 2019 introduced a 10% reservation for economically weaker sections, or EWS, in educational institutions and public employment.